Hey y'all, it's a Friday night and we decided we were going to go for a rip in the turbo and going to take y'all along with us. So hop in, buckle up, and let's ride. So we'll get back to the ride in just a minute. I just wanted to pop in here real quick and make a few little announcements. One, you've only got a few more days left to do the raffle. Again, just comment on my videos and every comment will get an entry into the raffle. I want to say a special thanks to Nicole something. You've been commenting a lot. You just found the page apparently. Thank you so much for being here. From the sounds of it, you're from California too, so am I. Maybe we'll have to do a little talking. All right. There's a couple other things I wanted to mention, but currently I don't remember what the hell they were. So we're going to keep riding, and if I remember, we'll stop and I'll fill you in on the rest. All right. What do you say?
All right, let's ride.
Let's ride. Once we get out of here and get back to the trail, he is going to have to wash off the windshield so I can see, even though he's a very bad habit of only washing this side.
Trying to get pointed toward the trail.
There we go.
So we can make some
throw it in here, it was in here.
No, it was in the back.
Because it's been sitting right there since when I got in, before he was even outside. So, sure. This is one of the many, many trails around our place. Reality, we're like 10 minutes from the house. It's great. My brother did ask me though one day, he was watching some of the videos apparently. He's down in California and he's never been up here. He asked me how much acreage we were on because we seem to be going freaking all over the place. Down there, you really can't do things like this off of your own property, you know? So he was a little shocked when I told him it was just the trails that everyone uses around. Getting kind of windy out there. It has been, which is why it's so warm again. According to this, it's 49 degrees. Some of you may remember my video from a couple weeks ago because it was 50 degrees. Well, it's going to be pretty much like this for the next few days, which is insane and I don't like it. I want my cold weather back. But for any of you who are watching in the lower 48, apparently you all have my weather. Florida, I would like my snow back. Please, Texas, Louisiana, Alabama, all y'all. Please, I'm begging with cherry on top. Please, will you send our weather back? I want my snow back. I do. All right. So on that note, we'll get back to the ride as soon as he's down here. Since I made him get out and work for a second. Isn't that what I'm here for, though?
Yes, you are.
Make sure you never have a minute rest.
Yeah.
So I can go lay down and chill. Alright, here we go. Snowballs, and it landed right there on the windshield, so I can't see because it's right there in the middle of the picture. I know, it just happened to be right where the camera's pointing. I tried going like this, but then you wouldn't be able to see.
Yeah. I think we're about due for a new squeegee. Oh, that was still full squeegee.
Our normal route all the way around, but the drift here says no we are not. Wind, lots and lots of wind. What's up?
Yeah, we're not going through that. At 30 below zero next weekend we can make it over that drift when it turns into concrete.
Yeah, it'll be hard as a rock next weekend, but as you can see right now, not so hard. So we're not going to make it all the way around the normal path, but then we're going to turn back around, head back that way. Fun times. see it now, but we hit some more big drifts that aren't going to make it over tonight. No.
Not at all.
No.
Those are sled drifts.
Yeah. And I want to point something out. If you look that way, you can't see anything. No, there's no city lights, no house lights, no street lights, no nothing, no lights. I love the country. Tree.
Don't turn, bro.
In one of the other videos I have, you can actually see us backing into a tree. Oh, I was reminding the audience that there is a video out there where you backed into the tree.
Hold on. Ready?
Ready. We've been upriver, downriver, in the river. He won't let me go swim in the river, though. Apparently, it's cold.
Very much so.
Yeah, apparently it's cold. It is usually covered in a little bit more ice, but, you know, Florida has all our snow. Not to mention that again or anything. But I want to say thank you for riding along. It's been a blast. We're going to head home from here. Might get a little bit more on the way, but probably not. We shall see. Watch the rest of the video and find out. But until then, like and subscribe for more Alaskan adventures and whatever the hell it is we do on Friday nights.
All right, bye-bye.
Going the side way is a good idea.
Huh?
You're gonna go the side way?